Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price behavior continues to display a fascinating alignment with key macroeconomic and cyclical events, particularly in years where both internal dynamics and broader financial markets converge. These years are historically marked by a growing anticipation of significant market shifts, and Bitcoin's price reflects this. Bitcoin has just shattered a key resistance level after weeks of tight trading. If you have been following the market, you know Bitcoin was stuck between 62,500 and 64,100. But guess what? It's not just breaking out, it's setting the stage for something big. Here's where it gets exciting. After multiple tests, Bitcoin peaked above 64,800, only to pull back slightly. But now, it's cruising at 64,800, eyeing the next frontier. We're talking about potential highs at 65,300. And if it breaks that, buckle up for 67,000. From a technical standpoint, keep your eyes on the 21-period EMA. Right now it is at 64,500. If Bitcoin holds above this, we are in for a bullish ride. But why is this September different? Traditionally a tough month for Bitcoin, this year, it's on track to be the best we've ever seen, up by 10%. And it's not just crypto. The S&P 500 is hitting all-time highs thanks to recent rate cuts. This isn't just good news for stocks, it's pumping up Bitcoin too. It's a clear sign of how interconnected our financial systems are becoming. Let's put this into perspective. Bitcoin's performance isn't just random spikes, it's aligning with major economic shifts in its own halving cycles. We are seeing a perfect storm where liquidity, risk appetite, and global finance play into Bitcoin's hand. What do you think? Is Bitcoin gearing up, or are we due for a correction? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Hit that like button if you find this analysis spot on. And if you're new here, subscribe for your daily dose of crypto insights. Do not forget to click the bell icon to never miss out. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead, and see you in the next one.